How to create an account in Nam.Business. Let us watch how to create an account in Nam.Business. First, open your web browser and type www.nam.business. Enter your email address in the provided field or click on Login or Register. Enter your email address. Click on Submit. You will receive an OTP to the email address. Check your inbox or sometimes on spam mail to find 6-digit number. Enter 6-digit OTP into the field on Nam.Business website and click on Submit to proceed. In Fill the Details page, fill your name, phone number and choose category. Choose category from the drop down. Here I am selecting academicians and click on update your account. And that's it. Your account on Nam.Business will be created. Thank you for watching.